Hello guys, welcome back to Paperz Academy. So today we are diving into the exciting world of Python programming. If you ever wondered that what Python is all about and why it is so important in today's tech world, so you are in the right place. So what exactly is Python? Well, in simple terms, Python is a high-level programming language known for its simplicity and versatility. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced developer, Python offers a user-friendly syntax that makes coding a breeze. Okay, but why is Python so important? Let's break it down. Versatility. Python can be used for a wide range of applications, from web development to data analysis, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and more. Its versatility makes it a good choice for developers across various industries. Right? Next, coming to the ease of learning. Python's clean and readable syntax makes it an ideal language for beginners. If you are just starting out in the world of programming, Python provides a gentle learning curve that allows you to grasp fundamental concepts quickly. So next, coming to the community support. Python boasts a vast and vibrant community of developers who contribute to its growth and development. Whether you are seeking help with coding problems or looking for inspiration for your next project, you will find plenty of support within the Python community. Okay, so abundance of libraries. One of the Python's greatest strengths lies in its extensive library ecosystem. Whatever task you are tackling, chances are there Python library that can help you get the job done more efficiently. From numerical Python and pandas for data analysis to TensorFlow and PyTorch for deep learning, these libraries empower developers to build powerful applications with minimal effort. Okay, so coming to the industry demand, with its widespread adoption across industries, proficiency in Python has become a valuable skill in today's job market, right? Whether you are aiming for a career in software development, data science, or artificial intelligence, having Python on your resume can open doors to exciting opportunities. Okay, now let's make a moment to appreciate some real world examples of Python in action. Yeah. Instagram. Did you know that Instagram, one of the world's most popular social media platform, relies heavily on Python for its backend infrastructure? From serving millions of users to handle massive amount of data, Python plays a crucial role in keeping Instagram running smoothly. Okay, so next to YouTube, another tech giant that harnesses the power of Python is YouTube. From recommending personalized content to optimized video playback, Python helps YouTube deliver a seamless user experience to billions of users worldwide. Next, NASA. Yes, even space agencies like NASA leverage Python for various tasks, including data analysis, simulation, and spacecraft control. Python's flexibility and reliability makes it a trusted tool for mission critical operations at NASA and beyond. So, whether you are a seasoned developer or a curious beginner, Python has something to offer for everyone. Its simplicity, versatility, and widespread adoption makes it a must-have skill in today's tech world. So that's a wrap for today, folks. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content like this. Until next time, happy coding.